I've been seeing this a lot lately, and recently, one of you requested that I make this video. Picture this, you click on the video, and the first thing they say is something fun, engaging, or even something really dramatic, something that feels like might have been said in between the video, but the creator used it to start their video as a hook. I've been seeing this a lot lately, and recently, one of you requested that I make this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly to do that. And I'll show you how to do that with both CapCut and InShot. So if you're using CapCut or InShot, you'll be able to do this and use it as a hook to grab the attention of your audience within the first 5 to 15 seconds. Let's dive in. In your CapCut timeline, scroll to the part where you said something interesting, funny, engaging, or something that would drive your audience's curiosity. So once you get there, just play it to be sure. I've been seeing this a lot lately, and recently, one of you requested that I make this video. Okay, so let's assume this is the part. So once you play it and you're sure that's what you said, just tap on it, split it, so that you can get only the statement. Then you scroll through the icons below, tap on duplicate. It will duplicate it. The duplicate is not supposed to go as an overlay. I don't know why it's doing that. But we're just going to tap on it. If this happens, just tap on it, scroll through your icons below and tap on main track. So it will come back to the main track. You can see it's 5.7 seconds, 5.7 seconds. So just tap on one of them. Remember that what you said, you still need to say it where you said it normally. You're just going to duplicate it and take it to the front of your video to start to act as a hook. So I'll tap on it and hold it and then drag it to the beginning of my video. So my video is going to start with this. Let's play it. I've been seeing this a lot lately, and recently one of you requested that I make this video. Picture this. You click on the video. Okay, so when this happens, as you can see, the videos look different. This means that the color grading I did or the color correcting I did started from this side. It didn't come here because I recently just duplicated this one. So how to fix this? Just scroll through the icons below, tap on adjust, and you can see what I said. Tap on your color grading layer and drag it to the beginning of your video so it covers every part of your video. So you can see that it's in every part of my video from the beginning to the end. This is how to take a part of your video and create an engaging video using CapCut. I'm going to show you how to do it using InShot. Let's go. I'm in InShot right now. Click on video, click on new, and import our video. This one. So click on the check icon, and this is our video on our timeline. If you're using the InShot Pro, you will not even have this watermark. But if not, you need to remove it. To do that, just tap on it and tap on free remove. It will play some ads for like 2-3 minutes, and when it comes back, you will no longer see the InShot watermark. So we finished watching the ads and you can see that the watermark is no longer there. Please make sure you do this first so you don't forget. That happens to me sometimes. So scroll to a very interesting, funny, engaging, or something you said that would drive curiosity for your viewers. Just scroll there, trying to make sure. Here, tap on it, scroll through the icons above, tap on split, then play your video to know exactly where you stopped saying that. I've been seeing this a lot lately, and recently one of you requested that I make this video. Okay, one of you requested that I make this video. Before I said so, right here, tap on it again, tap on split, and this is the part we want to use. This is the part we want to use to start our video. So I'll just scroll through the icons above, searching for duplicate. Tap on duplicate. Make sure that the video you want to duplicate is highlighted. Okay, this is it. This is the duplicated one. Tap on the duplicated one and just take it to the beginning of your video. And that's it. I've been seeing this a lot lately, and recently one of you requested that I make this video. So once you're done, you can just click on the save icon to save your video. If you need a video editor to edit really cool, creative, and engaging transition videos for your social media or a YouTube video editor, then click on the link in the description or the link in the pinned comment and reach out to me so we can talk on how I can help you. I'm a video editor and I can definitely do that for you. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Also, let me know what you want to learn. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Please like, share this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.